guys, what's going on? John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today. Wanted to show you a really awesome application, one of the many for vapor honing. What we have here is actually it's a pneumatic, what we call a diaphragm pump. This is a rather large pump from Wilden. This pump has been used tremendously and has been really abused, and you can see the coatings on this pump here that I'm actually able to flake off. The orange paint that you see is actually the factory color of the original pump, and we're rebuilding this pump right now and wanted to show you the versatility of this tool and why it is so versatile and why it's so beneficial to use this machine on rebuilding certain tools, rebuilding pumps, air compressors, engines, whatever you are working on, you can use this tool, and it's a huge value to your business, huge time saver. I mean, this is before and after. So before and after, and I mean, what an incredible difference. I mean, you cannot argue with the results of the system. This part is actually ready to accept a new coating. This part is ready for the vapor honing treatment. And I mean, it works flawlessly every single time. The important thing that you guys should pay attention to and why the vapor honing system is so beneficial and different than sandblasting is we are not concerned about hitting these areas where you have to hold a tolerance. We're not worried about sealing surfaces. We're not going to damage those parts. We're able to shoot the inside, the outside, and any area on this part without damaging it, and that is why I love the process, and that's why you will too. This was an effortless operation. There was 2 layers of coatings that we were taking off here, and you can see, I mean, there's a lot that we were removing. It probably took us about 15 minutes, all in all, to do this part, and this thing is ready to be rebuilt at this point. And I'm glad you guys got to see this. If you have an application like this or a question about an application that you might have, give the sales team a call. They're always here and happy to help you. And as always, if you have comments, put them in the comment section below. We'll get to those for you and answer those. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like what you saw today. Follow us on Instagram and like the Facebook page for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching, guys.